before we start this video, we want to say a big thank you to Bridgestone India. Bridgestone has been one of the biggest tyre manufacturers in the world, and they've had their hands in almost all types of motorsport. Everything from Formula 1 to Pikes Peak hill climb racers. We are proud to say that Bridgestone India has been a keen sponsor in this year's Valley Run project that we're doing. They have given us amazing back-end support, but apart from the back-end support, they create some amazing tyres. We highly recommend their B series of tyres if you're looking for something like a reasonably priced tyre, but it's also very durable and has good amounts of grip. And if you're a car enthusiast, we highly recommend you to check out the Turanza and Potenza lineup of tyres, which are proper enthusiast tyres. So if you're looking for some new tyres, do check out Bridgestone India.
Hello and welcome to the Drivers Hub. Today we are here at Autodisir for another episode of Road to Valley Run. Today is the little Ciaz's turn for a remap, and stock it makes around 103 bhp, 140 Newton meters of torque. Today we're going to remap it and see how much it can actually push for the Valley Run.
Now, working on the Ciaz isn't the easiest of tasks when you want to do a remap. The ECU of the Ciaz comes locked from the factory, so you have to basically remove the ECU and decrypt it the hard way by attaching wires and stuff all around. That isn't our headache, so we'll let Niranjan do the tough work.
Okay, so we are almost done with uploading the file onto the ECU in the office, and then the ECU is going to come here and we are going to be installing it nice and easy. We are not expecting quite a lot of gains in terms of power because it is a naturally aspirated engine, so we are expecting around 6 bhp up. But we are not able to log any records of the performance how we usually do. We just need to take the car out and let the computer record everything, and we'll just see the computer, see what it is, but not in this car. This car we need to take it out, see how it feels, and depending on how it feels we'll come back up. If there is any other muteness in between the rev band, we will be able to fix it, but that's all up to our pedals, not up to a computer. Okay, so I've taken the Ciaz out for a cheeky little run after the remap, and first impressions, the mid-range of the rev band is super lively now, and it is quite addictive. You get quite a nice note from the rear now. I'm pretty sure that's because the engine's running a little richer in terms of fuel to air ratio, but you're not going to get quite a lot of bhp out of this because it's a naturally aspirated car, and if you're going to turbocharge it, it will not run in the same category. However, we have quite a bit of confidence with this car because it's an obscure category, and we're going to be having a good driver like Umair on it. But this car is actually quite a lot of fun to drive, so I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my time. So there you go guys, a short and sweet little video for the Ciaz. Mind you, it's just a stage 1 map. However, we still expect it to beat most of its competition in its category, which is the modern cities which are naturally aspirated and the older VTECs which are also naturally aspirated. But in a stage 1 tune, we really do think that this is going to be faster. However, all of that is to come at the Valley Run. So See you at the strip.